In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about sharing options in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're creating surveys for work, school, or any other purpose, sharing your forms efficiently is crucial to gathering the responses you need. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, we're going to start by opening the form that you want to share. If you've already designed your form using Microsoft Forms, navigate back to it by logging into your Microsoft account and selecting the form from your list. Once you've located it, open it up and you're ready to proceed. Next, let's turn our attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Collect Responses. This is your gateway to accessing all the different ways you can share your form. Click on that button and it will open up a menu with several options available. Now, to share your form using a link, you'll want to find the section that allows you to copy a unique link to your form. This link is what you'll distribute to people so they can access your form and respond to it. Once you've clicked the copy button, the link is saved to your clipboard and ready to be used. With the link successfully copied, you can now share it through various platforms. You can paste this link directly into an email or a presentation for easy access. If you have a website or a blog, consider embedding this link to generate instant traffic to your form. This is an efficient way to reach your targeted audience no matter where they are. If you're looking for a more direct approach to sharing your form, Microsoft Forms has an option for that too. Simply click on the email button and you will be prompted to send the form via email. This feature allows you to enter email addresses directly and even customize the email message to make it more personal and engaging. It's a great way to ensure your recipients get your form directly in their inbox, making it convenient for them to respond immediately. And that's it. You now have an understanding of how to efficiently share your forms using Microsoft Forms. By following these steps, you can make sure that your form reaches the right audience in the most effective way. Remember, whether you're using a simple link or opting for email distribution, choosing the right sharing method can significantly improve your response rates. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.